In the digital era, leveraging AI technologies like ChatGPT for passive income has become a lucrative opportunity. ChatGPT, an advanced language model, offers numerous possibilities for creating content, developing AI-powered solutions, and catering to various industries. In this video, we are going to cover 5 effective ways to earn passive income with ChatGPT and how you can get started on them immediately. Let's dive in. Number 1. Passive income through Etsy resume templates. Earning passive income through Etsy by offering professional resume templates with the assistance of ChatGPT is an innovative venture. Leveraging the AI-powered capabilities of ChatGPT, you can create a wide range of templates that cater to different industries and job roles. These templates serve as a foundation, which you can then easily customize and design using intuitive tools like Canva. Additionally, to stand out in the competitive Etsy marketplace, conducting thorough research on top-selling resume templates is essential. Furthermore, this research allows you to gain inspiration, stay updated with current trends, and continually improve your offerings. By combining the power of AI-generated content with user-friendly design tools and market insights, you can provide job seekers with high-quality, customizable resume templates that help them land their dream jobs. 2. Amazon Fiction Book Writing with ChatGPT. Exploring the world of fiction book writing on Amazon presents an exciting opportunity for passive income. With ChatGPT, you can generate the core of a unique story that combines your personal interests, such as finance or any other genre, with elements of fiction. The flexibility of it allows you to aid it and personalize the story further, ensuring it stands out in the competitive landscape of literature on Amazon. One key advantage of fiction books is their potential for higher sales compared to certain non-fiction genres. Here's how ChatGPT can help you. Personalize storytelling. Create narratives that resonate with your interests and captivate readers, setting your fiction books apart from the rest. Creative flexibility. Harness ChatGPT's ability to generate diverse story ideas and characters, allowing you to explore various genres and styles. Consistent publishing. Maintain a steady output of engaging fiction content to build a loyal readership and increase sales potential. 3. Creating and selling educational content. Producing AI-powered educational content is a valuable avenue for passive income generation. ChatGPT's capabilities enable the creation of engaging and informative learning materials. Here's how you can tap into this opportunity. Online courses and ebooks. Use ChatGPT to develop online courses and ebooks on a wide range of subjects. Additionally, emphasize the accessibility of these educational resources to learners worldwide. Interactive learning experiences. Offer interactive learning experiences that engage learners through quizzes, simulations, and AI-driven assessments. Furthermore, it highlights the effectiveness of these tools in promoting active learning. Platform distribution. Distribute your educational content through popular platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or your website. Moreover, it effectively generates passive income through course fees, ebook sales, or subscription models. 4. Building a subscription-based Google Chrome extension is a promising endeavor that can provide a steady stream of passive income. Moreover, leveraging ChatGPT's capabilities allows you to streamline various aspects of development, marketing, and user support to earn a sustainable passive income. Here's how ChatGPT can assist you in this venture. Market research and idea generation. It can assist in conducting market research by analyzing current trends, user reviews, and competitor extensions. Furthermore, it can generate ideas for unique features that address user pain points and meet market demands. Development guidance. It can offer valuable coding tips, suggest libraries or frameworks, and help troubleshoot specific coding challenges, ensuring a smoother development process. Customer support. It can aid in drafting responses to common user queries. Additionally, it can also assist in creating a comprehensive frequently asked questions section within the extension to address user concerns. 5. Selling a trading bot indicator service. Developing and selling a trading bot indicator service offers a lucrative opportunity for passive income. Additionally, with its guidance, you can navigate the complexities of algorithmic trading and effectively market your service. That's the end of today's video. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.